And viewers, we have a big breaking news coming in from Bangladesh, where there are atrocities going on the Hindu community and the minorities. The violence against Hindus in Bangladesh continues to rise with every passing day. World's most recognized Sanatan institution, ISKCON, has been targeted. Innocent people tortured and killed. And now monks of ISKCON across India have come to support Chinmoy Das Prabhu and are staging protest. Meanwhile, ISKCON monk in New Delhi and Bangalore have also joined in the call and are staging protests. This comes after Chinmoy Das Prabhu was arrested, who is from ISKCON Bangladesh. While there are protests that have broken out in India, in Jammu and Calcutta, the demands for his release are in a chorus globally. His supporters are demanding for him to be released. Just a few days back, he was not even being served temple food, which is the only food that Chinmoy Das consumes, was not being provided to him in the harsh prison conditions. This has become one of the hottest debatable topics between the two countries, that is India and Bangladesh. New Delhi is trying to negotiate with Dhaka over the precarious situation and the treatment of Hindus and minorities in Bangladesh. Gopi from Delhi, our reporter, is also joining us to get us more on the story. Gopi, could you please talk to us about these two aides who have been arrested? In fact, even the secretary has been arrested, and they were arrested on their way back after meeting the Hindu monk. So what is the situation looking like despite these global protests, the global outcry on the issue? Bangladesh doesn't seem to budge. So what is the situation looking like? Could you get us a roundup, please?
We are standing right here at Delhi ISKCON temple, and as you can see, devotees of ISKCON have gathered here for demanding for global peace, not just the situation of Bangladesh, but they are here, they've gathered here to demand global peace. While we've spoken to a few saints around at ISKCON in the morning today, we are joined by one of the saints who would also speak to us regarding what is happening in Bangladesh. Sir, devotees have gathered here for what is happening in Bangladesh. How do you look at it? What do you say? What is the future course of action by ISKCON? Can you tell us something about what is happening in Bangladesh?
ISKCON terrorists. I don't know why like the thing. Because ISKCON giving love God, Seva, chanting holy names like this. I don't know why like this thing.
So they are in fact reiterating this fact that why this has been happening. Why is Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu arrested? While we have seen that two monks were arrested yesterday as well, who went to give medicine to Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu. While I would ask my video to show how this temple of ISKCON in the east of Kailash is here. They have gathered here to pray for global peace. We are joined by one more saint of ISKCON. He would also want to share what is happening. जो बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है अभी, उसके लिए यहाँ पे सारे डिवोटीज आप लोग सारे इकट्ठा हुए हैं. आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे मीडिया को?
देखिए, जो भी हमारे बांग्लादेश में भक्तों के साथ हो रहा है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो संस्था है ये केवल और केवल जीवों के उद्धार के लिए, उनको सही मार्गदर्शन में लेकर चलने के लिए रात दिन पूरे विश्व के अंदर विश्व शांति के लिए कार्य कर रही है। इसके बावजूद भी बांग्लादेश के नागरिकों को वहाँ की सरकार को ऐसी शिक्षा देनी चाहिए, इस तरह से मार्गदर्शन देना चाहिए कि वो जीवों के प्रति प्रेम प्रदर्शित करें। चाहे कोई हिंदू हो, चाहे कोई सिख हो, कोई मुस्लिम हो, ईसाई हो, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। सभी वास्तव में हैं तो मानव ही, और अगर मानवता को ही भूल करके एक दूसरे के साथ वो ऐसा अमानवीय कार्य करते हैं तो इससे जो है तो क्या होगा कि फिर तो पूरे संसार में हो सकता है कहीं इस्लाम की जो बहुलता है वो कम होगी, हिंदू ज़्यादा होंगे, या ऐसी भी कंट्रियां हो सकती हैं जहाँ क्रिश्चियन कम होंगे या क्रिश्चियन ज़्यादा होंगे। तो इस तरह से जो है तो ये जो कार्य है इसे जल्दी से जल्दी बंद किया जाना चाहिए फोर्सफुली वहाँ की बांग्लादेश सरकार की तरफ से। और हमारी सरकार से भी हम अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो भी कोशिश करें, वो कम से कम इस मुद्दे को लेकर के यूएन में जा सकते हैं, या जो है तो अपनी जो सरकार है उसके माध्यम से वहाँ पर जा कर के बता सकते हैं कि मतलब इस कार को आप बंद कीजिए। बांग्लादेश से रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं बेसिकली कि आप इस कार को बंद कीजिए। और वैसे भी आपने देखा होगा जो पूर्ववर्ती सरकार थी शेख हसीना जी की, उनके साथ हमारे कितने अच्छे संबंध थे, ये सब तो कुछ होता ही नहीं था। और उनकी अध्यक्षता में आप देखिए बांग्लादेश में कितना जो है तो ग्रोथ हो रहा था उस कंट्री का भी। लेकिन अब पता नहीं वहाँ पर कैसी बुद्धि है वहाँ के लीडर्स को, मतलब मुझे लगता है शायद सोचना चाहिए कि वास्तव में वो जो लीडरशिप में आए हुए हैं और आए किस लिए हैं, इसीलिए आए हैं ना ताकि जो है तो लोगों का कल्याण कैसे हो सकता है कि नहीं।
So in fact, Gisu, these are the voices from ISKCON which we are getting from Delhi NCR. Back to you.
To understand, while the pressure is building for the release of the Hindu monk, his lawyer was also killed in police clashes in Bangladesh, in fact in Dhaka. So what is happening on that front? Is he getting another lawyer? Where are the talks reaching in terms of the legal matters climbing for his release? I think we have lost our reporter due to connectivity issues, but moving on, we will circle back on the story when we can. These are the visuals from ISKCON. These are the visuals from ISKCON Delhi, where people are praying for the release of Chinmoy Das Prabhu. They're even talking about how ISKCON will push the demand for his release forward and place it on the table in front of Dhaka. We're also being joined by Sri Lakshmi from Bangalore to get us more details on the story. Sri Lakshmi, could you tell us what is happening on the legal front at least? His lawyer, Chinmoy Das's lawyer, was also killed in police violence in Dhaka. But what are we looking at here? Is he getting any other legal aid? In fact, his followers, his supporters are very, very scared for his health amidst the precarious situation. So what do we have on that?
Yes, I'll get all those details as well. Before that, I'm here in Hare Krishna Hill in Rajajinagar. They are staging a huge protest regarding this arrest of monk, and they are praying for peace and safety of the Hindus over there in Bangla. I'm joined by Mahotsaha Chaitanya Dasa, Head Communications and Public Relations of ISKCON Bangalore. Sir, I mean, what is this protest for? And what would you like to say about our senior monk who has been arrested by Bangladesh government?
Hare Krishna. We at ISKCON Bangalore want to express our solidarity for the oppressed minority communities, especially the Hindus and the devotees of Krishna, devotees of ISKCON at Bangladesh. We are holding a peaceful Harinam Sankirtan for peace at Bangladesh today, and we hope and pray for peace to prevail soon, and we are requesting the government of Bangladesh to take necessary steps to protect the rights of minorities and for the Sanatana Dharma followers to be able to propagate their religion among their followers peacefully.
And do you have any inputs or any information regarding your ISKCON chief who has been arrested over there? And it is also said that his health is deteriorating, and in an unjustified way he has been arrested. And ISKCON is called as fundamentalist organization, which is a huge, injustice.
Yes, it is unfortunate that ISKCON is actually a peace-loving organization. We have been always at the helm of rendering service, be it in the form of food or be it in the form of giving the timeless knowledge of the scriptures. and we only want to promote peace. It's unfortunate that we have been misunderstood by some.
These are the visuals from ISKCON in Delhi. We heard from our reporter how even in Bangalore, the momentum is raising into a chorus where people are talking about the release of Chinmoy Das.
Action has been taken. As far as the devotee who has been arrested is concerned, devotees are in touch at various levels and trying to intervene for the safety. But all that we can do as devotees worldwide, the ISKCON Communications worldwide has issued us a statement that all the temples can today hold a Sankirtan vigil. Usually every Sunday we hold a program called Sunday Love Feast where so many devotees come and we distribute free prasadam. So during this program we are also conducting a Sankirtan for the peace of devotees at Bangladesh, and by expressing our solidarity and by making a specific prayer which the ISKCON Communications has circulated, we'll all be praying and leading the devotees, petitioning the Lord to release the arrested devotee and for the peace of the devotees who are being harassed there.
ISKCON is a worldwide organization and it is known for its peace-loving ways, and it has influenced crores and crores of people all over the world. And now it has been called as fundamentalist organization. And how would devotees all over the world are reacting to this injustice?
You see, as you already said, because we are a peace-loving organization, even if any such allegations are made, we will only respond peacefully, and our way.
These are visuals from ISKCON Delhi where people are praying for the release of Chinmoy Das Prabhu. Chinmoy Das Prabhu, there is